Alright, so y'all know about Superline Wholesale. They have some cheap shirts, some red vintage wash shirts. So I picked up 10, all sizes. Print them up.
Vintage. Got like an acid wash to them. Size tags on them. I got every size it looks like. 2X, X, large, medium. What's this? Extra large. So I got medium to extra large.
So we're gonna print these up and have these offered. Stay tuned for that. I think I'm gonna take one out so I can show you. Might as well take this one out. This will be mine. It's fucked up. Look at this one's package. It's crazy. But yeah, these are from Superline Wholesale. These are their sun-dried t-shirts. Let's see. The quality feels very good. Okay, it looks like they already cropped them, so that's cool. They already cropped them. So it's got a bottom crop on it. Yeah, this is extra large. So it's very boxy. I kind of like it, to be honest. It's a true extra large. It's like a full extra large. Let me see. Yeah, I can't really look. Alright. That is a real extra large. Let me show ya. So basically they were selling these very cheap because I guess they didn't like how they did the fade on them, the factory. But I don't see nothing wrong with it. Especially once you put a graphic over it, that shit's gonna look normal. Like I said, these from Superline Wholesale. They got a crop at the bottom already, so there's no hem, no edge, just like this. And they got a nice fade on them. I like them. So I got medium, large, extra large, double extra large, and this is an extra large you see right here. I'm gonna print those up. Those will be available soon.